guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lee and today I'm going to show you how to make a simple rosette cake. The first thing you're going to need is a cake mix, and just go ahead and prepare that according to the back of the box. I wanted my cake to be two different colors, so I just took part of the batter and tinted it with some pink food dye. So to make this cake, you need a 2-quart oven-safe bowl. This is a Pyrex glass bowl. I have greased it and floured it. You need the flour to hopefully help you get it out of the pan easily. So I want this cake to be pretty inside. You could do a zebra cake where you put some of the white and then some of the pink and then some, on top of each other, stacking them up, and it would make a pretty zebra cake. But I'm just going to put in a little of this one, a little of the pink, and just sort of make, whatever. Just make it interesting when you cut into it. I don't know if this is going to make a difference, but I'm just going to take a butter knife and swirl it through. I think it'll make a pretty pattern on the cake, or throughout the cake. Now this goes into a 350 degree oven for 40 to 50 minutes. At 40 minutes, I'm gonna start testing it in the center. As soon as your cake tester or a really thin knife comes out clean, your cake is done. So this is what it looks like straight out of the oven. I'm going to let it cool for a little while, and then I'm gonna take it out of the bowl. So here's what the cake looks like once you take it out of the bowl and it has cooled completely. You can frost it just how it is, or you can cut it in half, put a little frosting in it to make it a 2-layer cake and make it just a little bit taller if you like. And this is what the swirl pattern looks like on the inside. Just gonna get rid of these crumbs. So to decorate this cake, you're going to need a 1M tip. And this is a Wilton 1M. I'm sure other companies make them. I just don't know what they're called. You're also going to need buttercream in the color of your choice. I'm using pink to match the inside of the cake. I don't have my own recipe for buttercream, but I'll tell you that here on YouTube, Serious Cakes has a great buttercream recipe. That's what this is. So just search Serious Cakes buttercream recipe and it'll show up. And hers is the best I have found. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of frosting on the inside. So before we make our rosettes on the cake, I'm just going to quickly show you how to do it. It is so easy. Hopefully I can get a good shot of this. So to make these rosettes, it's super simple. You have your 1M tip, you have your buttercream in your piping bag. If you don't have a piping bag, then use a freezer ziploc bag. It works just as well. You're gonna start in the center of the rosette. It doesn't matter which direction you go, so you just wanna go around. You're squeezing the whole time and then let go of the pressure and keep your hand moving. It's hard to do them really slowly, so I'm gonna do another one for you here. Start in the center, squeezing, squeeze it, release the pressure, and keep your hand moving. And that sort of makes the little trail at the end. They're really easy. Just practice a few times on a piece of parchment paper or a plate until you get the hang of it, and then move over to your cake. You can go ahead and put a crumb coat of frosting on it, but I'm not going to bother. I'm just gonna pipe the rosettes right onto the cake. So pick a spot and then just make your rosettes. My frosting is a little too warm. And there you have it. It's so easy and so pretty. And if you have little spaces, just add a little bit of frosting in. This is where covering it in frosting to begin with would have been helpful, but I didn't feel like it. Okay, there you have it. It's as simple as that. These cakes look so pretty and people will think you know how to decorate cakes if you show up with one of these. If I can do this, anybody can do it. And they look so pretty. This would be perfect for, well, Valentine's Day. For a little girl's birthday, this would make a great smash cake. Just make it a little smaller. You could make a bigger one and make it a bridal shower cake. Use white frosting, blue frosting, green frosting, whatever you want. They're going to turn out beautiful. So if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up for me and subscribe to my channel. And also don't forget to hit the little bell so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. You can also find me on Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, and Facebook at Lee'sHome05. Thanks for watching. Bye.